Welcome back, my friend, to Toolbox Tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. And today I'm gonna show you how to add white border to an image in Canva. It's really easy and simple to do. So let's begin. Let's start drawing something. So first of all, you open a Canva. After you doing that, you go to templates. You can use some. And let's imagine we want to add some borders to these guys. So we press on the picture. We press edit it, we press shadows, we press outline. After we done doing that, we can increase the density, we can decrease it, and the most important thing, you choose the color you like. So it can be red, it can be white. For example, let's use white color. Let's increase a little bit density, and we can do same thing to the next guy. So we press here again, we go to edit it, we press shadow, we press outline, we choose white color, and we increase the density, whatever you like. If you have some elements, like you want to add white border for the chicken, for example, same principle. You just drag drop the item, you press edit it, you select shadow, outline, select white color, and just increase or decrease the density. So now you know how to do this, and I hope I helped you. See you next time.